Hi guys, and welcome back to Techanorakuk. So I've got for you today just a quick, it's not even a review, kind of a review on the S22. But yeah, this phone, I wanted to love it. I love the form factor, it's amazing, but it's not the right device for me. It is a beautiful device. It's very similar to an iPhone, as a lot of the reviewers have said. It's got these beautiful beveled edges that are nice and flat, and really nice in the hand. But yeah, it's not the one for me, unfortunately, because the battery life is just very poor. But yeah, that doesn't mean to say though that it's not right for somebody else. So the battery could be, completely fine for people who don't use the phone as much as me. Saying that, I've had some issues when I've been working and I've not really even touched the phone. I do have Bluetooth on all the time because I've got this guy, the Watch 4 Classic, that pairs up to it. And yeah, again, it could be the right phone for somebody. You could put power saving mode on. Issue with that is you lose your always on display. As you can see, I've got Scarface on mine. I like the Samsung always on display because you can have pictures. I don't think there's any other manufacturers that do that. Maybe Xiaomi, but I don't think so. So things I really like about the phone: fingerprint reader. It's that ultrasonic one, quick. Every time, not even looking now. Boom, you're straight in. Face unlock. It's got raise to wake. If you can get that right. There you go. Unlocks. My Nord 2 that had OnePlus Nord 2, that never had the raise to unlock, face unlock, which was a bit of a downside. But yeah, this phone's amazing. I wanted to do a proper camera comparison. Hopefully I can do that over the next few days. Let's see if I can show you some pictures I've taken. Okay, yeah, so just some quick sample pictures. So this is just outside my work. That's the ultra wide. So yeah, the ultra wide's a nice and big, focal range. You can get a lot in shot. That's the just normal 1x. That's 3x, or sorry, 2x. This is 3x. That's the limit of the optical lens. So then, if you look here, it's really, really sharp. It's nice. Then you're on 5x. Oh, kids. Sorry, guys. So yeah, like I say, right. So so this is 5x, 10x, 20x, 30x, and 30x again. When you're on 30x, it has like a view. What's the word? Like a window that comes up, and it's really steady. Normally when you zoomed in, it's difficult to keep the camera steady and focus on the point that you want, but that little preview square really helps. The other thing is a video sample. So I'd ordered a kebab. So this is my tea coming. Zooming in on this car at the lights, this Prius. He's going to deliver me a kebab because I was working at the office. But yeah, that's zoomed right in. This is 4K. When I zoom out, you'll see it's nice and sharp again though. So yeah, nice. Okay. So other things I like, although it's a compact phone, you say compact, it's a 6-inch device. It's a nice big screen. Let's have a look at one of my usual test videos, 4K Lamborghini video. Yeah, suffice it to say, guys, the screen's beautiful. Like I say, it's not QHD. That's one thing it's missing for me. The last flagship phone I had from Samsung was the S7 that had a QHD screen. I think the S8 and the S9, they did. And then when we started getting into the ultras, I think the S20 was the first ultra. The S20, the normal ones, they lost the QHD and just went to full HD panels. So, this is a $800, £800 phone. I think it should have QHD. But saying that, if you line up next to a S22 Ultra, because this has got higher PPI, you're probably not really going to tell totally, but you know, being a techie, you want your value for money, don't you? But these screens on the Samsungs, the S22 is going to have a better screen than the iPhone 13, definitely, and probably better than, you know, most other flagships, other than, as I say, the ones that are QHD. Okay, guys, here's a bit of a gaming test. So this is Ronin, the Last Samurai. Don't know what I'm doing at all on this, guys. Presume this is controlling them. Ah, there we go. Well, I like this game. Pretty stylish. Tap the block button in time to parry the enemy's attack. Oh, nice. And then you can execute. Wonder if you can decapitate limbs and heads and all that good stuff. Incoming ranged attacks. Defend yourself. Oh, he's got a gun, has he? Ah, cool. Ah, so you can block whilst walking. That's pretty cool. So this is a cool game. So yeah, Ronin, the Last Samurai, guys, if you're interested in this one. It's the first time I've ever played it on any phone, but it's really cool. Ooh, big attack. I think I failed. Ooh. Cool game. Yeah, I like that. I'll play that again. What's his name? Because I'm silly, we'll call him... It sounds a bit Japanese, but it's rude. We'll call him Trapanaka. Or Trapanaka. Trapanaka. If you know what knackers are, you know. If you don't know what knackers are, you're not a child like me. Cool. So yeah, guys, you know, like I say, this phone's going back. I've pre-ordered the S22 Ultra because they can't make them quick enough at the moment, Samsung, apparently. I don't know if that's a chip shortage or just they've been that popular, the S22s. I had to pre-order this, even though it's been out since February. I had to wait a week or so for it. But if the battery was better, I'd keep this phone. I love the form factor, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to get that S22 Ultra because, you know, it's got the 5,000 milliamp hour battery. It's only going to be an extra £10 a month for me. And if I've got to keep this 3 years, the battery would annoy me. And, you know, I love the S Pen. I've got this guy still. Let's get it out. I've got my S6 Lite, you know, so I am a fan of the S Pen. I maybe go, you know, some weeks where I won't even touch it, but it's useful to have. It's good for editing, you know, good for other things. So obviously the S22 doesn't give you the S Pen. But yeah, like I say, really, really do recommend it. Maybe if you're an office worker, you can charge this up a lot, or you're not a heavy user, but it doesn't really meet my needs. Or, you know, it's a shame, but there you go. You know, I suppose a lot of YouTubers are power users, or not always just YouTubers. You know, people love the phones. You do everything on your phone these days, don't you? All right, guys. So let me know what you think about this in the comments. But yeah, it's a beautiful phone, but yeah, not the one for me. I'll see you on the next one. Techanorakuk out. Take care.